Hello and welcome back to our channel. So on today's episode we're gonna take you outside there and show you this SUV that we have. Nothing fancy, just a real nice SUV. What is really impressive is the condition that this thing is. It is hammered, completely hammered from top to bottom. It's nighttime right now, so I want to capture this and share with you guys. I have 3 days to complete this job, so it's gonna have to be a big resurrection, and hopefully we can turn this thing around. There's no one single area of this vehicle that has not been damaged or scraped or swirl or whatnot. So nevertheless, let me flip this thing around. Outside we go, and you be the judge. This is a one in a lifetime opportunity. So let's see what we have. Oh my. Right there. Let's see what we can do with this. This is gonna be a huge resurrection. Wow, talk about hammer. But wait, there's more. Oh yes. Oh, look at this. We're gonna bring it inside, but check this out. This other door. Wow. Back here. Oh. Okay, so we got the Q3 Audi inside. You saw the condition of the surface on the outside last night, and I just washed it on clay, and now I want to get a second assessment. And from last night to today, they didn't got any better. I mean, this thing is completely hammered everywhere. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. It's everywhere. It's incredible. But the bigger problem that I see already is that we came here and we measured this, and I don't have a lot of surface to work with. Look at that, at 2.9. So I'm gonna have to be very careful, and as we see, we continue. It's everywhere. Look at that, everywhere. So get more here. Wow, it's all over the place. So this will be another resurrection. There's no way about it. So I'm gonna do a test spot, and then from there see what's gonna be my game plan, and hopefully I can do something with this. So let's get ready and stay tuned. All right, so we have completed a test spot, and here you can clearly see a huge improvement, and that's how we're gonna go. The paint is quite thin, so we're gonna stay there with that. We check the paint again, and we measure at 3. So we're gonna just leave it like that. It's some imperfections, deep stuff and so on, but a huge improvement. So that's to the level that we want to take her right there. All right, so we continue, and we will continue to film the progress. Okay, moving along, and here's a good shot of the before and after right there. Yes, sir. A lot of work, but we're making progress. Done. Not done.
Yeah, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. Yeah, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
All right, so we got the reinforcement here for guys from Appearance Solutions, ready to do the interior. Okay, and view of the engine bay. Oh, quite a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and get the steamer going and just steam clean it, and then put the booster behind it when the time comes.
Yeah, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. Yeah, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Okay, so a quick view. It's already corrected. It looks stunning. Doesn't have the coating yet. All right, so now we go to the coating and continue the journey. Ooh. Okay, and here she's done at the outside. What a resurrection. Woo! Look at this thing. Phenomenal. That Turbo Wax Swirl Remover Pro X, I'm telling you, if you have not tried that product, you're missing out. Don't get caught up on the hype of others. This thing is the real deal. A true one step. As you saw, we sprayed the grill and we got the boosted, and you saw the test spot that we did, and it's just day and night. Look at the shine on this thing now. The wheels we did with the wheel cleaner deluxe, and then the tires with the T2. And if you recall, the amount of swirls and imperfections, it was just incredible. So now we got her back on good shape, and it came out great. Right there you can see the interior. As you remember, it was all hammer, and our guys helped us with the interiors. Appearance Solutions did a phenomenal job. They did the whole interior for us. Thank you guys. Came out great. Inside we did the Turbo Wax interior dressing RP1. Now look at all this. No more stains or anything. Door jambs are done. The whole thing. She's fully done, completed, ready to be delivered. I polished the glass also, and I did a light polish on the wheels. But look at this. It came out phenomenal. Real nice. I'm very happy with this. Alright, so we're back and we have completed that resurrection, and it came out stunning. And once again, the Turbo Wax Swirl Remover Pro X did a phenomenal job. We used different pads, and then the Boosted 2.0 for the ceramic, sprayed the wheels, the grill, you know, as you saw in the video, we went through the whole thing, and it looks stunning. So now we're gonna deliver this vehicle to the owner and then shake hands and part ways as we always do, and then we will move on to the next one. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for all the messages, and keep in touch. Let us know how we're doing. Don't forget you can check us online on turbowax.com, Instagram turbowax, and this will complete this video for this resurrection, and we can wait for the next one. Until then,